This is what Abia Saeed, who received her master's degree in entomology from UK last spring, has been doing this summer, surveying thousands of bees with UK entomology professor Dan
we
Potter.
Want to be very careful also. This is from my house.
So far they have found about 30 different species of wild bees, visiting a variety of flowering plants in central Kentucky, and determined which types of plants are best for attracting and sustaining pollinator populations.
It started out, we had some plants and ideas, some ornamental plants that are very popular, but when we started to survey, we kept adding more and more plants to the list, and so now we're trying to try to get a season-long representation of plants that are attractive to bees so we can give people a recommendation.
Saeed says the hope is the study will provide the data to make recommendations to homeowners who care about their landscape, and also about pollinators. This will also allow them to get a much better understanding of what they can plant to provide a resource of nectar and pollen for bees year-round, and also which plants are not as attractive to pollinators.
Ultimately, we're trying to find ways that we can protect some of the more buggy types of plants that are still very popular, but make sure that we do it in a way that will be safe for the bees that might visit those plants too.
A lot of the attention has been on how honeybee populations are dwindling due to a colony collapse disorder. But other native bee populations like bumblebees, mason bees, and other solitary bees are also down. One of the main reasons for that decline is habitat loss due to urban and suburban sprawl. Bees have also gotten a bad rap from people because they can sting you. But Saeed says that perception might be changing as people are showing more interest in bees and pollinator conservation.
But now I think more people than one would realize are realizing the importance of bees, and on average people will ask us what we're doing, and when we mention pollinators they know what we're talking about and they know that bees are important. So people are definitely getting behind the bee conservation side of things.
UK researchers are also concentrating on ways to reduce exposure of bees to insecticides that are used to control destructive insect pests of our lawns and landscapes. From the University of Kentucky College of Agriculture, Food and Environment, I'm Jeff Franklin reporting.